Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Now that you've grasped the fundamentals of network engineering, let us dive into the exciting journey of how you can become one of these digital heroes. If you're starting from scratch, a bachelor's degree in computer science and information technology or any related field provides a solid foundation in networking and its concepts, and it also prepares you for advanced studies. However, don't worry if you already have a degree in another field. Many universities offer bridge programs specifically designed for career changers. So for this step, take your time. Research for the best university that offers the technical skills and expertise you desire. Another step you can take is through certifications and online courses. Numerous industries offer certifications such as CCNA, that's the Certified Network Associate, Network Plus, to validate your skills and enhance your employability. These certifications can be obtained through online courses, boot camps, or self-study, making them a flexible option for busy professionals. Some popular certifications include IT certification, e.g. CompTIA A+, CCNA, AWS Certified Solution, Architect Project Management certifications like PMP, Prince2, Business Analysis certifications like CPAP, CCBA, and Analytics certifications like Tableau Desktop Certified Associate, SAS Certified Data Scientist. Certifications can be valuable for validating skills, boosting credibility, and advancing one's career. They show your employers that this candidate is dedicated and it has a proficiency in this particular area. There are other flexible learning options for those seeking a quicker entry into the field. Many platforms offer comprehensive network engineering courses, often with hands-on labs and project-based learning, allowing you to quickly gain the skills you need to land your dream job. Online courses provide flexible, self-paced learning opportunities across a vast range of subjects. Popular online course platforms include Coursera, edX, Udemy, Pluralsight, and Udacity. Courses can range from individual classes to full online degree programs. The benefits of these online courses include access to high-quality instructional content from top universities and industry experts, ability to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, often more affordable than traditional classroom-based programs, certificates or credentials upon completion that can be showcased. Online courses are a convenient way for working professionals and lifelong learners to build their new skills and stay current with the latest trends. On the other hand, bootcamps and coding bootcamps offer intensive accelerated training programs that teach in-demand tech skills like web development, data science, and cybersecurity. They are typically about 12 to 24 weeks long and they focus on hands-on project-based learning. So for bootcamp, the aim is to provide learners with job-ready skills in a relatively short time frame. They are attractive and option for career changers looking to upskill quickly. Graduates often find employment as software engineers, data analysis, or network engineers, such as today's topic is. Benefits of bootcamps include curriculum focused on practice, applicable skills, direct career support, and job placement assistance. Collaborative, immersive learning environments, ability to transition into new tech career, In a matter of months, boot camps have become increasingly popular in recent years as an alternative pathway to traditional four-year college degrees for aspiring technologists. So you can consider boot camps option if you are already someone with a degree. What to choose? I would say the most important thing is to take a close look at your own goals and interests. What kind of network engineer do you ultimately want to become? Do you see yourself more in the hands-on technical role, or are you interested in strategy and the management side? Assessing where your strengths and your passion lies will help you and guide you in the right educational or training approach you need to choose. Once you have that vision in mind, then you can start weighing the pros and the cons and of the different pathways we've already discussed. Certifications, for example, can be relatively quicker to validate your technical skills, but they may not carry the same weight as a four-year computer science or networking degree by the eyes of your employer. As a related bootcamp programs are often appealing for their focus on practical job-ready skills, but you have to make sure the curriculum aligns with the type of networking engineering you aspire to become. And of course, the traditional university degree route provides solid, well-rounded foundation, but it's a bigger time and financial commitment upfront. The key is to carefully research the job market and networking roles in your target location to understand which skills and qualifications are most in demand. Regardless of the path you choose, I already emphasized the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. The network engineering field is evolving so rapidly, so you need to be prepared to keep sharpening your skills, pursuing new certifications, and staying on top of the latest technologies and industry trends. It's an incredibly rewarding career, but it does not require that drive for lifelong learning. So, my advice would be to spend more quality time reflecting on your goals, exploring the different training options, and creating a plan that aligns with both your long-term and your short-term goals. It's an exciting field to get into, but you want to make sure you are settling yourself for sustained success. This brings an end to today's segment. Next time, we're talking about milestones you need to look after making decisions and what step you need to choose, and also how you can hone your skills to get started as a network engineer. Before I sign off, please comment on the chat box what other role you would like me to break down, what you think your challenges are, and share with your friends that want to break into tech. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.